Welcome to our new video. This time I am with a new scholarship which is offered by University of Science and Technology, or you call it UST Korea, and they offer the highly paid scholarship in South Korea. No other university offers so much monthly stipend or other benefits. So it is a highly paid scholarship, and the major requirement for this scholarship is IELTS. IELTS 6 band is must for application. Without IELTS 6 band you cannot apply. I have already uploaded two videos for the admission process and how you can apply and what documents are required. So I will give the links of these videos in the description for this video. So you can open those links and you can watch, and it will be helpful for you. Here I am going to give you some overview for this scholarship and admission process. As I told you, IELTS is a must, so please consider this option if you have IELTS 6 band already in your bag. This university is called University of Science and Technology, and there are some 32 research institutes or campuses for this university. And other details you can also see here. There are a number of graduate students and faculty members. Here is the distribution of the students for the PhD, integrated and master program. So here is the scholarship amount. What they offer is almost 1600 US dollars for the PhD program and almost 1200 US dollar for the master program. So it is a highly paid scholarship for PhD and masters. Along with this, there is some tuition fees they pay to you, and with this you get the national health insurance here for you and your family, and also they support you if you travel for the research purpose to any other country or you want to attend some conference in your field. Here is the location of different campuses. Major headquarters is located in Daejeon, and there are some campuses in Incheon, Seoul, and other provinces as well. These are the names of these research institutes. If you visit their website, you can clearly see their details here. Maybe you cannot read it, but I recommend you, or I suggest you, to please visit their website and open the links for each campus, and there are lots of other details given about this, and you can find the faculty in each campus. So overall admission type are this type of admission is offered twice in a year, and this time they are offering admissions for the coming spring semester in for the year 2021, and the application deadline is September 18th, 5 o'clock Korean time. So please apply as soon as possible and do not delay your application process. Here are some other dates, and they will finalize almost their successful candidates in December 19, and after that you have to apply for the visa, and every other requirement will be fulfilled after December 9. So other things you can read here. Application method is given, eligibility criteria is given here also. So you can apply to doctoral program. Integrated means you are in a master's combined with the doctoral program, like master's leading to PhD or integrated PhD program. You can also apply for the master's program. If you are applying for the doctoral program, then it is recommended to get some acceptance email or contact the professors from your field in any campus. Otherwise there are very low chances for you. So what is the basic criteria is, if some candidate doesn't have the acceptance letter from the professor, then there are very low chances for the doctoral program. But for the master's program you can apply without the acceptance email, but I suggest you to please contact professors or any professor you want to be your future supervisor, and it will increase your chances in master program as well. But I do know some students in UST Korea who got admission with this scholarship without the acceptance of the supervisor, and when they join UST, then they select their supervisor for this PhD master's program. So the online process, there are some steps, which is 0, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and until step 5. Here is the required list of required documents. You can see that you need some transcripts and degrees and thesis and official English test. Here is the detail given. If you are this is, I think, not required or is optional if you are doing some job already, and the mandatory documents are given here. So for the further or complete detailed discussion about the admission process and how to write different documents, you can watch our other videos, and the links are given in the description of this video. Thank you so much.